bitch, I'm tripping, fuck them up. Boy, wanna talk shit like you starting girls in the rock. You see what fucking nothing to keep my name out of discussion. Thinking you ready to die, thinking you ready to die. You ain't never felt the pain, just cause your brain's flying. I'm thinking you ready to die, thinking you ready to die. You alive, bitch, I'm that black cat with a nine. Wanna be broke, rather get it on my own. Time moving slow, trying to get that dance slow. I don't wanna tail go, I don't pretend like you been with this shit, but I'm blowing up a bad shit. Thinking you ready to die, when your whole life is a lie. All of my dream, popping a couple of hands until your brain's fried. You wanna survive, you see right through your eyes. You a fucking lie, don't need you up in my life. Feeling the spiral, getting suicidal.
Hey guys,
Hey.
welcome to That's Racing via.
That's racing. He's gonna go on Mac Daddy.
Welcome to us via driving.
Well, you all asked for Ashraf to be sneak peeked into these videos, and here he is.
I'm here.
He's here, still holding his phone, still looking at it, still pretending to. Hey guys. We got some Indian fans in the background.
Yeah,
Just stopped along the way. Hello.
Hello. So guys,
you
we're
like the cars?
on the way to Wollongong to support Wollongong City Car Detailing for his charity event that he's put together.
He's put on a little event. He's asked us to come up, so
We're taking a few cars, taking the Max Civil racing truck with all the merch.
No, we're not.
It's not there?
No truck, just merch.
Just merch. Then take the truck, no
Just
benzene.
merch. Yeah. But we've taken a few cars
We're
out.
taking
so
a few cars that I thought could never be street driven, like his VL for an example.
It has wipers that work.
It tripped me out.
We've got the VK out. It's had a
VL
little bit of an overheating issue. You might get a insert video of radiator busted here.
No, it's not busted. It started working.
But luckily we got Jamis with us.
We started working.
Did it?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, that's all right. We got Jamis with us.
Yeah, we
Thank you,
fixed it.
Jamis. Jamis. Hello.
Yeah, we got everything good. We should be arriving in Wollongong in approximately 30 minutes.
Yep.
And we'll talk and record while we're there.
Mate, you know what? You are made for this.
Oh no, I just don't want to.
You're just,
I just don't want to.
and you're looking real skinny. What's going on?
Racing.
That's the only way you're going to go 7.
See what happened? I lost weight. I wear 7s.
Nice. So we're going to have a bit of footage from here to there of the cars driving up.
Yeah.
And then when we get there, our awesome camera guy, Mo, who's going to film some stuff and content. And yeah, enjoy.
We got everything coming. Like we got Land Cruisers. Look, like we got Land Cruisers. We got
Is that else?
VL.
Is
Yeah.
that Romanos?
No, that's Tony.
Oh, 45 you made it.
No, it's Tony. It's Tony. So yeah, see you guys soon.
Nice.
Swag is so fierce, is a language I speak. Unmatched confidence, my power, my peak. No crown needed. My presence, it reigns in the world of swag. I break the chains with each step I take. I redefine cool. Others try to mimic, but I'm the true jewel. In the world of followers, I lead the show. Confidence, swagged out, watch me glow. Top notch attitude, haters in my rear view. I'm the star, got them all looking as I break through. With every move, you know I own the spotlight. Confidence on fleek, shining bright every night. That's right. Don't believe the hype. You
It's Jace.
know that ain't
Jace, are you on fire?
That's our mate on the way.
Bye
It's
bye
on fire.
up top, but no, you'll get no high five. You're looking for the sauce, I got the recipe.
Wait, hold on, I'm looking at it. Oh, the smoke, maybe the screen's on fire. He's got smoke coming out of his screen.
I am.
Ed! Smoke coming out of his dash. Warranty's void, it's not happening.
Take. Jace.
He doesn't want nothing to do with it.
Anthony said that was a you problem.
Hey, he's wearing different pants today.
Anthony, he said it's a you problem.
Oh, he's all dressed up.
Habib, how much was the VL now?
Ash said, how much will it take for it now? 20 grand.
20 grand.
Fuck it, eh?
Hey, drop it off on the way home.
Jump on my back, we're gonna pick it up.
Like, let it burn, he'll still take it for 20 grand.
Bro, you know what I think it is? I think it's that matting shit on the inside of the firewall.
The matting?
Put that mat. Yeah,
Ah.
lock that
So why don't you just drive it here and try not to catch fire?
Yeah, just drive it out. Stop at the servo, buy a fire extinguisher.
I'll take it half burnt.
Ash will still buy it, as long as it doesn't get burnt past
how much
the firewall, you're alright.
I told him to bring it in case it burns.
Dickhead, should he drive it here or not? I'm asking.
Is it still smoking or stop smoking?
This is
Still smoking.
This is what happens when you build a car with him. You get asked, is it still smoking or stop smoking?
got an extinguisher? Just keep driving then. Drive it back. Drive it 70 handicap.
Why didn't you put a fire system in it?
Just don't let,
You're already here. You're 10 minutes away.
tell him, just don't let the VIN plates get burnt.
That's what will make you money out. The fucking dogs.
I'll pay 30 if the front's burnt.
You know why? You know why it's on fire? Because the dog's trying to buy it. It's a bad dog.
You're not gonna hear the end of this.
Don't do it, me, brother. You keep forgetting. Keep getting confused. I bought the engine bay. What's the engine? I ring you, mate.
Jace,
You ring me,
drop
mate.
the car
so
off on
if the
Monday
engine bay
and make
catches
sure
fire
that
and
it
goes
fixes
in
the
the car,
fire
whose
because
fault?
this is a him problem.
So if the engine bay catches fire and goes through the firewall into the car, whose fault?
It's saying the dump pipe's sitting on the firewall.
Is it?
Well, that could be a problem.
On the firewall, it's close to the firewall.
That could be an issue. Alright, bro, yellow, I gotta go. I can't even hear anything here. Let me know if you're coming, yellow. Hey, where 150 Ks?
Tell him so no, we're not allowed to drive our cars. So
Wait, so we can't drive on the highway?
So what are we meant to do?
Hey, where's the paperwork? I can't drive on the highway.
the speed limit's 110.
So what are we meant to do? Do we just look at him?
This guy's got to give you a fine for being 40 over. You driving? Then you can't.
Yeah.
Hey, why can't I drive on the highway this one?
Put the nitrous, it fixes the problem. You're gonna buy the engine now.
We want to know why we can't drive on the freeway.
Anyway, I hope he's all die.
Wow.
I hope he's all die and burned. I'm burned to hell.
Burn as well. Fuck it.
You understand or not?
Well. Yeah, you know, I'm gonna send that. Fuff, you're gonna have to pay my invoice this week.
I want to do a negotiation.
Why, bro?
What do you mean 295?
Including stamps, though.
There's a low boring dog. He's gonna offer you half the price. So 290.
I think they already know.
Take 145 or no?
200's all right.
200 is good. There you go.
200's all right.
Plus GST.
It's got low case. 200.
A bit more than that. 220. You know much about these?
Yeah, we got one.
Yeah, have you?
Yeah.
Nice.
What are the idiots that bought them new?
So then this one's cheaper.
Yeah, a lot cheaper. All right, 200. We'll come back.
Hey, straight up, but this is something that we should look.
Ask us.
Would
where,
you get in that?
Ask whose car is it?
I don't know, just sit on it.
Nice.
Just get in. Is
Very rare. Very rare, but they're not sought after.
They come factory with the walkie wheels and 20s.
If there's in that crew, they'll
he's a fuckwit. The guys that came factory with the 20-inch walkie wheels. I like believed it for a second.
Speed doubles.
Hey, today is the
Didn't you have a Forester?
Me? No, that was Matuk. He had a
Oh,
pink
it
one.
was.
Ora salon. Today is the first day Fuff saw a Millennium Jade in real life. And now he wants a Millennium Jade.
Nah, I didn't say.
Where'd you see it?
No, I said it in my head. I didn't say it.
The one that's over there?
Yeah.
Yeah, there.
Yeah, I know you said it.
Wasn't there one for sale over there?
Yeah, Rickers.
So,
Does he still want to sell it?
that's nice. That's just like clean.
Muscle, bro. It's Australian made.
That's nice, man. It's just mint.
They sell everything brand new for it.
Yeah, literally.
Yeah.
That's the best thing about it.
Literally everything.
Everything.
What is it? A 71? If you,
That's Matuk, his number 2.
Number 2.
That's what I thought. Hey, what if you could say fucking tape? I'm up behind
You can't-
I'm not the one that rocked up here in a fucking brand new Lambo.
Hey, have you seen
You're the
your-
one that thinks you're tight, bro. And all your cars are breaking down on the highway, you idiot.
Hey, have you seen your video 2 days ago?
You didn't shut the fuck
He's a
up.
fucking drunk.
What do you mean I'm good?
You were talking.
I didn't say a
And you
word.
were rammed.
Did you say him?
Yeah, we haven't done this before. We're doing this. And he can't hear you. You're going to microphone your high word.
Hey, this back in the day was the shit. Remember? Fuck. That's sick. Did you build this car? Fuck off. I've never seen this.
There's no stickers on it.
What happened here? What happened here?
It's on it. I just got the memo.
What does this make?
830.
No, I think maybe it's 700 or something. Back
Why the turbo looks so big?
They got
Oh, this is the one you tubbed as well.
Yes.
You tubbed this one at the shop. So you tubbed it for him but not for us.
Correct. Yes.
There's some editing that's gonna have to happen right then. No Habas talk. How come that's got the strut covers on it?
I mean, how come I've done? I've been doing it for 20 years.
Where's my ones?
Didn't pay for them.
I didn't pay for them. Paid for the fucking machine.
No, that wasn't you. That was someone else.
I can't even get a set of strut covers for free, bro.
What do you mean?
Fucking
The
hell.
word free and Matuk don't work.
Free? What's free? No.
Only a boost.
I got 2 sets for free.
Yeah, yesterday for his VL.
They,
My car's not even in the shop.
wow.
Wallah, no.
Alright. Can I have a set?
Hey, but they don't say MR.
His PPF in his car.
Oh, that's a good deal, bro.
PPF for strut tail.
You just swap 2 strut tail sets for PPF?
No, Jammers gave you the strut
See?
tails.
Yeah, no, they're on James's invoice or something.
No.
They'll probably end up on my invoice.
You have 2 cars for them for 2 shots.
Habib,
What cars you want to wrap?
I didn't request them.
34 and my green Lambo.
The 34's not finishing. What's the point?
When it is finished, we're gonna wrap it. My mom's gonna wrap it. For a fucking contact for school.
Did you used to do that?
Yeah. I love it. For farmers, you have to get white and cut it.
Can you hurry up and finish it? Because I want to race. Imagine I jump in your 34, first pass and take out the record of the 34s.
It's not magic. We have the hot steering wheel. I can put Billy in my dog. Yeah. Put the hot steering wheel.
Do that again.
Billy's probably got a better chance of not hitting the wall.
100%.
He's probably trained to know when it's missing.
It's not that, it's dogs listen. If you hear your car misfiring, come off.
Badly.
Over here we've got the VL, no excuse. First time it's been on the road, last 7 years been getting built. One owner. Hey, shall we show the guys the engine bay on the 34?
Which engine bay?
This one.
Why?
Show them on the video.
What are you going to show him? That's stock engine bay?
The big setup.
What's so big about it?
Guys, we're going to show you the 34 engine bay. It's got a single turbo,
Mate, look at that.
twin air filters.
It's got 2 single turbos.
Who built this?
This one, built by Jammers. 2.8 stroker.
Jammers! Where are you?
It's got a Plasma Man intercooler.
What
Have a
was
look.
it built by Jammers? Why didn't they go to Matooks?
Because he wanted a neat look. How heavy is that bonnet?
Well, nah, thanks, bro. We don't want.
Oh, wait, you're waiting?
I am. So like.
Hello, that spoon doesn't suit you.
I got something for you anyway.
And you going to move the car for me or not?
Who wants to get
You
out?
gotta reverse back. Where's Archie? Do you know this full overheated? Like boiling water, spitting out,
Do you know
cooling
how
on the
fast me and
floor.
Jammers got to Wollongong? Because
Right.
he was trying to get the
It
area.
was boiling.
Lucky he fixed it.
Wallah, if it wasn't there, I would have left it there.
The gravel lane.
Hey guys, this is a green Lambo. Green Lambo,
60 bucks.
twin turbo.
Whose Lambo is it? Yep. It's very good, good coordination happening here.
Yep, keep going back.
We got it. We got this
Yep.
happening. Keep going. Keep going. Follow the tongs. Follow the tongs.
All right, left hand down.
Shouldn't this bike, even if this bike goes off, it should still move.
Why 4, not 5?
Not that one. The bottom one's off.
Which one?
The bottom one. The one that comes off the turbo feed. Your bottom pipe's off.
Now we're done.
That's that one. You're gonna boost.
But that, even if you take that off, it'll still boost. It should boost.
Yeah, that will still boost. That's just your air intake.
Yeah, that's what
Yeah, that's not the problem. It's the one that underneath one. The one that goes to the cooler. That's off. That's why you got no boost.
Passenger seat.
Light bulb moment inserted right here.
Daddy picked something up for me, eh? He's not all show, he knows what he's talking about as well. There you go, Murad. Good. No stress then. We know
There you
what
go. See?
This is a Hurricane.
PPF on, I'll get mine.
That's Platinum 1 auto grip, guys. All your PPF car needs.
Hello, Platinum One.
Hello, Platinum 1. Without him, there is no Platinum.
There is no one.
Bro, look at all the Webbers on it. Imagine back in the day you had to tune that by hand.
I just asked him. Where would it go? This would be very nice. This has got a full 2.7.
Hey, is this still triple Webber or is that?
I think that's quad. It's quad, your highway, and it's 4.
I don't think that's how it works.
Yeah.
Is that how it works?
Each one is a Weber. That's 4. That's quad.
Okay, sorry.
And it's a 427.
Alright.
Powered by
Schmanders.
foot. Yeah, me and my old school,
I'll give it a tune up.
it's done.
It's done.
So you can't see the bonnet scoop. It's good. It's for the air induction.
So the air feeds the.
The air feeds the Weber feeds the airflow feeds the petrol.
That's right.
And then combustion.
And the T-bag strainers, they.
Yes, and the red and blue fittings.
Yep.
Old school to match the car's
Classic.
character.
Character.
I was looking for that word.
Yes. We're all
No,
fucked up. Look. That's why I hit him. Makes it more natural.
Hey, you didn't even know. You with me the whole time.
Yeah, straight out.
All right, guys, what do we got here?
What would you like to buy? Don't touch.
I've brought you a new model.
It's going to cost you a McLaren.
Done.
Ash. It actually fits him now. What else we got? What else can
Wow.
we? Hey, Fov!
The girl jacket fits.
That's a good look.
All right, this is
That's our new merch model.
Mac Civil Racing. So he is the home of all the project cars. Nothing's finished, nothing. But we'll get in there soon.
Tell you, what is this thing? Can we get it started? What is this, like a burnout car?
Yeah, some of the had Velcros.
Oh, how doesn't that twist the chassis? It's doing burnouts just as it's revving, as it's idling.
But I'll drive anything.
I can see you driving that as well. That's sort of like a,
Actually, like Mr.
That's-
Bean's head bouncing on the floor.
that's a very Blacktown looking car.
That's straight Blacktown.
Hey man,
Just wondering if you could sign my shirt.
it's on your shirt.
For what? What do you mean?
Don't be a hater. Come, let me sign your
Wait,
forehead.
sign. I'm the guy that crashed.
I'll put missing. Learn, do not miss. Turn around. Remember to sign it.
Wait, what are you signing? Yeah, all right, signing shirts and that.
There you go, bro.
Wait, but what did you write? Give him a message, like you love him in that.
He knows I love him. Thanks, bro. Appreciate the love. Don't worry about Ash.
You got any GTRs for sale?
As much as you want, what are you after?
There you go, bro.
I don't, you can't say nothing.
There you go.
Get a white Texter next time.
I didn't supply the Texter. They supplied the Texter.
You know
what are
what?
you watching? That's racing? What do you reckon of this guy?
I reckon you should sign your arm.
Does he talk too much?
Sign your arm.
He does, doesn't he? Doesn't shut the fuck up, does he?
Did you see that? They want him to sign a shirt like he's Olim. All right, signatures. 50 bucks. The best part about the day, follow me. That doesn't open.
Sorry, bro.
Fuck it. This is the best part about the day, jammers. Everyone's here.
Shit.
We're fucking smoking.
Look at this shit. Huh? Hey, what that?
Say that. After a long day of interviews,
I was sitting in there.
Tony Jammers.
Yankees are on.
It's not what you did, son, that angers me so. It's who you did it to.
Who? The fucking nobody?
That fucking nobody is John Wick.